Welcome to M365 Professional. I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft Visio to help you visualize any process with flowcharts. The Visio web app can be accessed from your browser. In the Visio web app, pick the flowchart template you want to use. We've selected a cross-functional flowchart to map out business processes across different teams. You can customize the labels by clicking on them. Visio even provides diagramming assistance to help you create your flowchart. Then you can add shapes and dynamically connect them to new shapes. Label shapes by adding text, and you can change the shape color either by using the top menu. Or choose from existing color themes. Visio also provides different sets of shapes like audit diagram shapes for any type of flowchart or diagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.